All right, good morning everybody. We are back with another video here. It's been a while since I made anything, but today we're doing Christmas lights and I want to bring you guys along for the ride. All right, I'm going to show you guys how we bulb this. So what you're going to do here is you're going to grab all these bulbs, or the strand I should say, bulbs and clips like this. Put them up in your hand, grab the clip first. And I'll show you here in a second. We use these really nice clips. So this is a pretty simple house, and well, Sitar's up there doing the roof. Actually, here, let me set this camera up. You can probably see him. All right, got the camera set up so you can see me bulb, but you can also see Sitar working, so makes the job go a lot faster. We usually get to the shop at like 7:30 in the morning or so, and start bulbing. It's a little colder here in Pittsburgh, so we haven't really been washing that much stuff, but we do have another crew today washing, and so they're continuing doing that stuff. We're out here running lights and stuff. You basically have to help your other guy. He gives you a haul or something like that. Run over, stop what you're doing, help him out with the lights. Kind of just want to bulb these as fast as you can, but like I said, we usually pre-bulb stuff. But today we didn't. This is our only new install today. And the other houses I might record a little bit at. We do them every year, so we've got them saved in these like large Tupperware container boxes. We just pull them out. We got everything labeled, so it makes everything a smooth install. So we label everything when we pull it down at the end of the year. For next year, it is so much easier to install when you got a piece of duct tape on there, or like a red zip tie. You know, red zip ties, start on the right side of the house or something if you got it coordinated like that. But otherwise, I just loop a piece of duct tape around, and I'll write, right side above garage, start. So I'll show you the male and females that we use. So we got this nice pack out this year. Little Craftsman, you don't need anything expensive. Let's get this. It's got males, females. So he might need two of these. Throw those in my pocket. Go to the top. And I'll get him some wire out real quick. So, as I was saying before, this isn't like a crazy install, but it's nice that you guys can see what we're doing here. Also, I just want to show you, whenever you do go to cut something, don't cut it up against the light bulb. Give yourself half. So we always cut these in half, because you can always cut each side or add a splice or whatever you need to do. So it's a little bit easier if you just cut it in the middle. Makes your life so much easier. And then I'm going to get some males and females. This dude's crazy on the roof. It's just insane. All right, got you guys perched up on the rock now, baby. Good? Can't tell if they're on or not.
It'll look on.
So then after you plug it in, come out and you test and see if every single bulb is on. It's kind of hard in the sunlight though, but they all do look on. These oddly don't look on. All right, everybody, I want to thank you guys for watching. That's how you install Christmas lights. That's how easy it really is to do that stuff. Again, sorry the camera's kind of washed out. I've got some different settings on there, but came out fantastic. Dormer, up, down, over there. 45-minute job, $700. But that's in the Pittsburgh area. You got to figure out your own prices for the area that you're in. But thanks for watching.